when we get the prize. Now I am going to tell the Nobel Prize winners who made us happy and proud too. Now I am going to tell 10 Nobel Prize winners of our country. Rabindranath Tagore. Poet and writer Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to get a Nobel Prize in 1913 in literature. He was awarded the prize for his sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse expressed in his own English words. C.V. Raman. India received its first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 when scientist Sir C.V. Raman was awarded for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. This is Raman effect. Hargobind Khorana shared his Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine with Robert and Marshall in 1968. The trio was honored for the interpretation of the genetic code and its functions in protein synthesis. Mother Teresa, spending her life in the service of poor and needy. Mother Teresa won the 1979 Nobel Peace Prize. She became an Indian citizen as well. She received the prize for her work in bringing help to suffering people. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, another Indian physicist to receive the Nobel Prize is Subramanian Chandrasekhar. He was awarded the 1983 Nobel Prize in Physics, which he shared with physicist William. He was awarded for theoretical studies for the physical processes of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen was the winner of the 1998 Nobel Prize in Economic Science. He was rewarded for his contributions to welfare economics. V.S. Naipaul. V.S. Naipaul was an Indian origin author who won the 2001 Nobel Prize in Literature. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his works that compelled people to see the presence of suppressed histories. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. India's first Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry was won by Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. He received the 2009 Nobel Prize for studies of the structure and function of the ribosome. Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi along with his friend received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. He received the honor for the struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. Abhijit Banerjee. The latest one to join the list is Indian American economist Abhijit Banerjee. He won Nobel Prize in Economical Science in the year 2019.